Powerful machines and inventions that are on another level. With the kind of technological advancements in the world today, engineers spend sleepless nights trying to create machines that help us execute tasks that, if done manually, could take months, if not years. Today in this video, we will show you 10 powerful machines and inventions that are simply on another level. We saved the best for last, so keep watching and see for yourself some unbelievable machines out there. Check out the description links below the video for more information on the machines. But before we begin, kindly subscribe to our channel for more of our content. Plus, don't forget to turn on the notification button for timely updates of new videos. Let's get it on. Number 1. The Grain Dump Pit. This machine is ideal for the speedy unloading process with massive wagons or semi-trailers. It allows the driver to unload the entire trailer in less than 5 minutes while the conveyor unloads the hopper. With this quick process, the driver can get back to the field very quickly. The grain dump allows the 2 hoppers of the semi-trailer to be dumped simultaneously. This machine uses a steel insert hopper, which is set into a cement basement, thus providing easier maintenance and minor adjustments if need be. The cement basement also helps improve the machine's lifespan as it keeps the hopper out of soil, dirt, and water. The grain dump pit can be installed in less than 12 hours if dirt and concrete work is completed prior to the process. The grain dump has adjustable slide gates that help control grain flow with shade plates built into the grates and beams to keep grain from collecting and piling into corners. It's got a low-profile design to allow the hopper to be transported on a flatbed trailer. Number 2. Manhole Cutter. If you repair utility holes occasionally or routinely, then this monster machine is an excellent choice for you. The equipment is small and compact, but very impactful. The whole machine only has a volume of 2 cubic meters, which does not occupy much space on the road, thus not hindering traffic. It has a comfortable drive top that reduces fatigue on the part of the operator through vast and convenient cutting diameter. Its durability is also promising due to the larger, powerful outer frame. The whole machine is light, flexible, and has adjustable height towing for timely and fast transportation. Number 3. The DARDA Hydraulic Rock. The name DARDA refers to the best, as always, as hydraulic demolition tools are concerned. DARDA Hydraulic Rock and Concrete Machine is a complete splitting unit consisting of 1 or more splitters, high and low pressure hoses, and a hydraulic power unit. The superior DARDA hydraulic machine has an enormous splitting force of up to 413 tons. This machine is mostly convenient when operated in inaccessible places since it boasts a dimensionally accurate working panels and is easy to control. It's mainly used in the demolition of rock and natural stone and also in the destruction of concrete. Number 4. The Hydraulic Car Baler. This monstrous machine is mounted onto a self-supporting frame with an integrated hydraulic power pack powered by a 145 horsepower diesel engine. This baler possesses an extensive box opening and can quickly be loaded with a grapple. It is designed in a way that can hold a vehicle and accelerate the box closing system to increase the hourly production. The hydraulic baler has a unique charging box that enables the operator to squeeze material quickly without consumption of much time. When its charging box is closed, it can produce a high-density bale in less than 60 seconds. This machine can have up to 200 tons of pre-compression force of the lid, thus compacting the car in the box before the actual baling process. Number 5. HYUNDAI HX180L Excavator. The HX180L is a product of South Korea-based machinery manufacturers Hyundai. Because of its insanely modern hydraulic lift, this excavator can perform a number of tasks with much ease. Minimal workmanship is required as the operator warming the cabin seat is only required to press a few buttons and handle a few technicalities. Once you step in the Hyundai-born monster cabin, you'll be in a different world because the intricate interior design is of another level. The HX180L excavator boasts high-pressure standard rail fuel system on the engine and an electronic optimization system, making it a serial performer. The electronic optimization system links the engine's electronic control unit, electronically synchronizing the engine and the hydraulic system. Number 6. The STORYBOT 6.2 3D Printer. This is a lightweight mobile printer that fits on a track to enable its movement from one site to another when operation. It's used for printing homes, structures, and other concrete structures. STORYBOT does not require a crane to operate and just takes a few hours to bring in and install. This printer uses various materials and recipes for decorating concrete. It has a mobile automated mixing station and an automated raw material feeder. It screens materials, fixes and feeds the mortar to the printhead. This feature cuts the cost of buying expensive pre-made mixes. Also has a remote-controlled monitoring system that allows one to view its progress. Its safety system prevents collision with other bodies, besides enabling the machine to shut down automatically when it's no longer required to run. It can cover a maximum operation area of 10 by 15 meters with its replaceable nozzle diameter of about 20 to 40 millimeters. Number 7. The FS600 Rebar Cutter Bender. American-based Fast Cut Industries is known for its production of rebar cutters and benders. The FS600 is one of the best-selling products of this company. This electronic machine combines the rebar bender and rebar cutter into a compact and powerful tool. It was designed and built from the ground up as a rebar cutter bender. It weighs 180 pounds and has handles that enables 2 people to operate it. Plugged into a standard 110-volt outlet and does the rest of the work with the push of a button and a foot pedal. The control knob sets the bending angle. Once set, all bends will be uniform and accurate. An optional reference fence attachment gives the operator physical and material stops, allowing the cutting and bending of dimensions to be accurately repeated. Number 8. The U.S. Fire Pump. Fire outbreaks are some of the most unpredictable tragedies that nobody can predict. In an attempt to mitigate the risk of fire, the United States Response Department has set up a massive machine to help in industrial firefighting processes. It has a massive water supply unit. The biggest flow system of the U.S. fire pump products can deliver up to 9,000 gallons per minute from a static water source. This single system can deliver the correct application density of 1 to 3% of finished foam for full-service fires or vapor suppression on tanks of up to 250 feet in diameter. For larger tanks or applications above the 3%, the system can be expanded to meet the needs of the incidental or potential hazards. The machine also has an optional deck gun which can be controlled remotely so that the operator doesn't need to go closer to the site of operation. The pump delivers 500 feet horizontal reach and a 400-foot vertical reach. Number 9. RAMTEC Robot. This is a multifunctional crusher grapple designed for major and massive demolition in addition to the recycling duties. It easily removes huge logs from the soil as well as demolishing structures in a concise time range. This machine is designed intrinsically, thus enabling the operator to cover 3 different functions: crushing, pulverizing, and handling, all with one button. The grapple can crush steel and reinforced concrete that thickens up to 300 millimeters. Its entire body weight supports it during operation, thus making it firmer, in the process ensuring no object can pull it down. Number 10. LANDPAC Rollers. LANDPAC is a world distributor of ground improvement equipment. During major constructions, the ground compactness should not be compromised. This is where the machine comes in. The company decided to transform the single known drum roller into a rational, efficient, and technically accepted form of deep ground improvement procedure, also known as high-energy impact compaction. The ground matter is compacted by the repeated and systematic application of high energy using non-circular twin drum rollers. Its effects go as deep as 3 to 5 meters, depending on the type of ground it's working on. Did you enjoy our video? Click on the subscribe button for more of our incredible videos. Give us a like and share the video. Let us know what you think in the comments section below.